Welcome. My name is Alexander Grabovetsky. Just in case if you don't know who I am, I'm professional wood carver, you can put it that way. Although I don't feel like I achieved my mastery yet. I'm working on it, but I can tell you one thing. I carve all my life since childhood. Professionally, I'm talking about I had the chance to work in the most beautiful residential houses and some commercial projects also. In 2015, I started to teach in person.
Pretty incredible what we have accomplished in, really, this is about probably 3.5 days of work.
Every class is different. We do have people coming back year after year, class after class, and that's never the same.
Very good.
Can I give a thumbs up?
This would be something maybe not easy, but I would have some sort of leg up, and it's just been such an amazing and humbling experience to
Yes.
Yeah, just, oh yeah, here you go. Yeah, that's, yeah.
Let me just say this was a life-changing experience for me, and I recommend it to anybody, anywhere, anytime. Alex is fantastic.
We are learning this amazing classical carving technique, and I'm a beginner carver, and this is what I've done in just a couple of days with Alex Grabovetsky and his fabulous class.
Oh. Oh, glitter. Wonderful.
Hi, I'm Kelly. I'm here with these wonderful people today, including my instructor, Alex.
This way of teaching that makes you want to be a better wood carver.
All the materials video based. I film everything what I do. I don't even cut stuff out. If I made mistake, it's there, so you can just watch how I'm approaching fixing it and so on. As far as what do we have in school, I have a big community. I mean, I have a huge community of people from all over the world. Thousands of people on my website. I shouldn't even call it my website. I should call thousands of people on a School of Wood Carving website. It's really amazing how talented those people are. Some people submitted some of the work, and it is amazing what they've done. You can see yourself some of the pictures, what people done based on the school lessons. As far as the school lessons, I have everything from the very beginner to most advanced level wood carvers, or wood carving lessons, I should say. In the beginner, a common question, what tools do I need? That's one of the problems, actually. People would like to get in the hobby of wood carving, but they don't know how much it's going to cost to get in it. In reality, in the beginning, all you're going to need, it's pretty much just one knife. That's what you're going to need. Just one knife, and with one knife, you can do lots of work. Okay. I do have projects based only on one knife. Then I'm going to introduce two gouges and so on. You can take your level up, wood carving skill to the next step. I should put it this way. Once you master knife, you can just advance and buy more tools if you wish. If you don't like it, it's not big investment. It's only one knife. Like I said, I have lots of people joined the school. We communicate all the time. For me, we are building like a community, friendship. Even if we have thousands of people, I still try to answer all the questions. Of course, based on logic, because some of the questions I already answered multiple times in the videos and so on. But still, it's a community base. I have some really advanced people, professors of design of universities. I have some wood carvers who carved for over 50 years, some professional wood carvers, some furniture makers. Some of them are actually really famous people. And again, it's not because they would like to probably learn some more. They know a lot of stuff. but it's more like a building community, okay? Building community around the wood carving skills. I still teach. I teach all the tricks, all the techniques in the school. Obviously, it is only my approach to wood carving, and there are lots of different approaches. But like I said, I carve for a living. It works for me. I teach sharpening, how to sharpen really quickly without sacrificing tools, because, you know, sharpening is really important. I do teach design on a little deeper level than what average design school would teach. And obviously I teach how to dig a wood with a chisel, okay, or with the gouge. Would love to invite you. I would love to invite you to become a part of a family, and doesn't matter what level, beginner or really advanced. Like, you know, some of the stuff, stuff what you see behind me, I have some classes pretty close to that level, okay? And some people, just what they've done, it is amazing. Once again, welcome to join, and link should be below. Have a good one.